Imagine a cuisine that dances on the tongue, an exuberant symphony of flavors all in one bite. Now picture this sensory festival held in a place where the sun kisses endless beaches, and the people's warmth rivals that of its tropical climate. Welcome to the Philippines, an archipelago where food serves not just as sustenance, but as a celebration of life itself. From the bustling streets of Manila to the serene landscapes of Palawan, Filipino cuisine is a vibrant tapestry woven with traditions, cultural influences, and an undeniable zest for life. The streets of the Philippines buzz with the sizzle of frying pans and the tempting aroma of grilled meats. Street food here is not only about quick meals, but a lively gastronomy scene that brings communities together. Vendors with their mobile stalls serve up a variety of dishes that are both affordable and rich in flavor. As you navigate through these lively markets, you might first encounter adobo, a dish so essential that it could well be considered the national dish of the Philippines. Made with vinegar, soy sauce, garlic, and various meats, its tangy and savory flavor profiles make it a beloved staple. Next, there's sinigang, a sour soup that refreshes the palate with its tamarind base, and lechon, the famed spit-roasted pig with crispy skin and tender meat. Every bite tells a story of colonization, adaptation, and innovation. The street food of the Philippines encapsulates the history and resilience of its people through its diverse flavors. In the tropical heat of the Philippines, staying hydrated is a delicious affair. Filipino beverages, both alcoholic and non-alcoholic, are essential to the dining experience and reflect the country's rich agricultural bounty. Coconut wine, locally known as tuba, is a traditional alcoholic drink made from the sap of a coconut tree. It's a testament to the ingenuity of Filipino fermentation techniques. On the non-alcoholic side, calamansi juice, made from a small citrus fruit native to the Philippines, offers a refreshing zest that complements any meal perfectly. These drinks are not just refreshments, but are integral to the Filipino dining table, enhancing the flavors of the dishes and cooling the palate in the tropical climate. Filipino homes radiate with the warmth of cooked meals that are handed down through generations. In every Filipino household, cooking is more than a daily routine. It's a ritual that strengthens family bonds and preserves heritage. Gulay, a generic term for vegetables, is prepared in countless ways, reflecting the archipelago's massive biodiversity. Homemade adobo, on the other hand, varies from one kitchen to another, with each family adding its twist, thus making each recipe unique and personal. These homemade dishes are the backbone of Filipino cuisine, providing comfort and a taste of home, regardless of where one might find themselves in the world. As Philippine cuisine continues to captivate food enthusiasts around the globe, it is also finding its way into the menus of high-end restaurants. This segment of Filipino culinary arts showcases a blend of traditional flavors elevated to haute cuisine, making it both a visual and gastronomic delight. In metro areas like Manila and Cebu, renowned chefs are redefining Filipino food with innovative techniques and presentations. Dishes such as kinalaw, or Filipino ceviche, and modernized kare-kare, which is a type of peanut stew, are served with artistic flair. These restaurants not only offer a taste of luxury, but also push the boundaries of traditional cooking to create extraordinary culinary experiences. This evolution from street food simplicity to fine dining sophistication reflects the versatile nature of Filipino cuisine. It is a testament to how deeply food is woven into the country's cultural fabric and how it can transcend social and economic boundaries. Filipino desserts are a vibrant mix of colors, textures, and flavors that provide a sweet end to any meal. Among these, halo-halo is the quintessential Filipino dessert, a delightful concoction that literally means mix-mix. Halo-halo is a layered dessert consisting of shaved ice, evaporated milk, and various ingredients like sweet beans, coconut strips, and uba or purple yam ice cream. Each spoonful offers a surprise, combining to create a refreshing treat. Other popular sweets include bibingka, a type of rice cake, leche flan, which is a caramel pudding, and puto, or steamed rice muffins, which are staples during festivities and celebrations. These desserts not only satisfy the sweet tooth but also play a significant role in Filipino cultural traditions, marking moments of joy and community gatherings. The archipelago's rich volcanic soil and tropical climate make the Philippines a haven for growing a wide array of fresh ingredients. From the highland vegetables of Baguio to the seafood of Visayas, the freshness of ingredients is paramount in Filipino cuisine. Local markets are bustling with vendors offering fresh catches and harvests, directly connecting farmers and fishermen with consumers. This practice not only ensures the freshness and flavor of the food, but also supports local economies and sustainable practices. Such a close-knit relationship between source and table enhances the overall culinary experience, providing dishes that are not only tasteful, but also deeply rooted in the locale's environmental and cultural landscape. As Filipino cuisine gains international recognition, there is a growing emphasis on educating new chefs and preserving traditional methods. Culinary schools across the Philippines now offer courses specifically in Filipino cuisine, aiming to nurture a new generation of culinary experts who are well-versed in traditional practices, yet open to innovation. Institutions and culinary leaders are also involved in documenting and preserving ancient recipes and techniques that are at risk of being lost. This educational pursuit ensures that the rich culinary heritage of the Philippines is not only maintained, but also celebrated and shared globally. The efforts of these culinary educators and advocates are crucial in keeping the Filipino culinary identity alive and vibrant, ensuring it thrives in the modern culinary world. Filipino cuisine is a profound expression of the nation's history, culture, and community spirit, characterized by an array of flavors that are as diverse as its many islands. From the humble street food vendor to the upscale fine dining experiences, each culinary practice offers a unique insight into the Filipino way of life. As we have explored the savory adobo, the refreshing halo, and even the coconut wine, it becomes clear that Filipino food is more than just a means of sustenance. It is a means of connection, a way to share stories, celebrate heritage, and come together as a community. I invite you, the reader, to dive into this rich, vibrant culinary world. Also, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel, plus hit the notification bell for the moment new videos like this are released. To taste the Philippines is to understand its heart and soul, and perhaps find a piece of home in its comforting, joyful flavors. Thanks for watching.